just around 9 a.m. and we just sat and relaxed and hung out with our friends. As you can see, we have an extra guest today. That is my best friend, Steve. We've been friends for like 20-ish years.
Oh, you're dating me now.
So like 20 years at least.
I've
known Steve about as long as I've known Corey. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited. We are at the Hoover Dam. We're actually right now on the Arizona side, and we're here with a close friend who you guys met in the earlier part of the video. But we're really excited. We're here just to have a good time. Everybody has their masks on, and we're just doing really good. We're really excited. We are happy we're on vacation, right? We're taking a break from everyday life, which is what I think people need every once in a while. So welcome to the Hoover Dam and come along with us. Steve, tell us what this area is since you've been on tours and done all that fun stuff.
So this is a spillover. Like if the water level behind the dam gets too high, it'll come up here, spill over, and it'll go down into this drainage tunnel here that goes around the whole entire dam and down into the river down below.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Is that all the stuff you learned on your tour you took?
Yeah.
So tours aren't available right now because of the pandemic, but you can absolutely, we're gonna go walk all over and do all sorts of fun stuff. Thanks for that info, Steve.
Yeah.
Okay, so like Steve was just saying, you can see this, you see that line right there? That's how high the dam has been in the past, where the calcium came up and cleaned the rocks. Look at that. So apparently they have an event house here too. You can have different events here, so that's kind of cool. And then this is the Hoover Dam exhibit hall. We'll see if we can go in there, but I'm not 100% sure we can. So let's see what we got. And then of course Nevada is back to daylight savings time, whereas Arizona is not in daylight savings time over here.
At first glance, one is usually drawn to the massive flagpole that proudly displays the American flag. Flagpole 142 feet above the sculpture, you see a golden ball. The ball points to where the center of our sun was on September 30th, 1935, the day President Franklin D. Roosevelt dedicated the dam. On the terrazzo floor,
I see. I see.
109 metal discs.
Where's Harley? Oh, there she is.
Each disc is scaled to the exact diameter for the relative apparent magnitude of all of the stars visible with the naked eye from this exact location at 8:56 p.m. on the dedication date. The timing for creating the celestial chart, according to the artist, was that he believed that someday, somehow, future civilizations would find their way here. And with no other means of communicating, might look upon this monument and determine the exact date on which the engineers and craftsmen of our culture completed it.
Yeah, honey. I don't know. We'll go look.
The floor is actually a complete circle, showing 26,000 Earth years, or one great year, or a platonic year, astronomy terms. Bronzes ever cast in the United States.
I do.
That's pointing to the sun.
So it's the different.
The artist said
Oh my
the
gosh.
Hoover Dam belongs to the sagas of the dairy. The sculptor, therefore, gave the winged bronzes which guard the flag the look of eagles.
Ready? So you gotta rub your toes for good luck. Ready?
13
You gotta
red
hold on.
and
Get up
white
there, put your hands up
stripes.
there. Ready? Rub them for good luck.
These stripes represent
There we
the
go.
original states.
Good luck. See, get the pinky toe. Get the pinky. Ready? Look at all the toes for good luck, right? Oh, this is so cool. I didn't realize this was here.
Without any other support to denote
my piggy toe.
Ought to rely on its own virtue.
Don't let me down.
How do you ask? The only part of this thing they can climb on and touch. So the little two are happy. This has been actually a lot of fun. It's fun getting to know different parts of our own country.
Do not touch that, Holly.
Yeah, walk around the pole. Thank you. All tours closed today. We legit saw a spider and it was the size of my hand. Okay. What?
That vent.
This thing?
Yeah. So that vent, Hollywood actually put a door on it. That's where Clark Griswold stepped out of the dam in National Lampoon's Vegas Vacation.
Oh, that's cool.
And that's as low as the tour will take you.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
So you climb stairs and
It's-
everything from here all the way down that far and into it.
So what you're telling me is the tours are worth it.
Tours are so worth it.
Yeah, they're worth it. They're worth the money. Was it something that was expensive?
No, it wasn't that expensive at all.
Because it was just you and Mark, and roughly, do you remember how much it cost?
No, it's been so many years.
As it? Okay.
But it's definitely worth the thing.
So it's definitely something we should bring the kids back to do another day.
Definitely worth it. And make sure you're okay climbing very steep steps.
Okay. So walking is a necessity, big
Yep.
time, because a lot of walking,
There's
steep
a lot
steps.
of walking through it, and it's steps and everything. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, thanks for sharing that with us.
Yeah.
Look at how cool that is. Okay, we're gonna go walk across the bridge. Down there.
So that's like the power plant area down there, and they have like the turbines and everything down there.
There's a
And
power
then-
plant in the Hoover Dam.
Yep.
Oh,
It
cool.
converts
Oh, that's
everything
right.
to it. And then right over there, see all the little holes? That's where your spillway comes out.
Oh, cool.
So like if it's too big there, it goes down and through the mountain and spills out that way.
That's cool.
It's like all the names of
Everybody who helped work on it.
that made it happen.
Oh, that made it happen. Got it.
And all that.
So these are the people that helped made it and made it happen. And
And then it actually tells you for the dam like how high the roadway is. We're actually at 1,232 feet.
oh, that's cool. Thanks for your help on this today.
Well, this one's got the designing staff on it.
The designing staff from the people who helped come up with the build it, all that kind of stuff. Spillway coming out of the building. Ain't that neat? Okay, you guys, we had a really, really good time visiting the Hoover Dam. We're going to get in a car and take the 40-ish minutes drive back to Vegas. Probably get some lunch somewhere and then go find more fun stuff to do. Because we're here to have fun and relax. We did a lot of relaxing yesterday, didn't we, Steve?
Uh-huh.
I think we relaxed all day yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
So we are going to get in the car and go back. Thank you for coming along on our adventure today. And come back for another day because we're going on more adventures here in Vegas. Have a good day. And remember, adventure is out there. Go out and find your adventure.